In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Luminar Neo on Windows. Let's start by downloading the installer. Open your web browser and go to the official Skylum website, then sign into your Skylum account. Head to the My Software section where you should see Luminar Neo listed. Click Download to get the Windows installer. If Luminar Neo isn't showing, use the App Isn't Showing option in your account. It helps refresh your library and link your purchase. You can also check your purchase confirmation email, which typically includes a direct download link. While the file downloads, make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and that you're using the official site so you know you're getting the genuine installer. It's also a good idea to note where your browser is saving the file. By default, it's usually your Downloads folder. Once the installer is downloaded, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file to launch it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, click Yes so the setup can proceed. The installation wizard will appear. Read and accept the license terms, then select Next or Install to continue. During setup, you may see an option to install Luminar Neo as a plugin for Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom Classic. Turn this on if you want to use Luminar's tools directly inside those apps. If you choose the plugin option, it's best to keep Photoshop and Lightroom closed so the installer can detect them correctly. From here, just let the progress bar run. Don't interrupt the process and give it a moment. Installation time depends on your system speed. When it's finished, click Launch to open Luminar Neo. On first launch, you'll activate the app. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Skylum account, using the same email you used for your purchase. Enter your email and password to continue. If you don't have a Skylum account yet, the app will guide you through creating one so your license can be attached properly. Make sure you're online during this step, since activation needs an internet connection. If you run into a sign-in error, double-check for typos or use the Forgot Password link to reset your credentials. Once you're signed in, Luminar Neo will activate automatically and the main workspace will appear. That's it. You've downloaded the installer, completed the setup, and activated your license. You're now ready to start editing, import your photos, and if you enabled the plugin, access Luminar tools from within Photoshop or Lightroom Classic. Enjoy creating with Luminar Neo on Windows.